Coming up in our last video of Inks Lake State Park, we spent a lazy Saturday eating pancakes, a short hike, and relaxing because the next day is a travel day. Mike watches the SpaceX launch, plus we have to go through Austin, and you know what that means. Traffic and construction. Oh joy. Do we make it home without any mishaps? Come with us and find out. Blueberry pancakes for breakfast. And I put cactus sprinkle syrup on it. Let's see how that tastes. It's good. Yummy. Particularly pear sauce adds a nice little touch to it. Almost done. Things that reap like this. Peach or peak. It's delicious too. That's pretty cool. What do you call that? Blueberry pancakes with egg on top?
Yeah, Kara.
That's pretty much it. Okay. We decided to do the Anglers Trail, but not get lost this time, because that's such a pretty hike. Okay, South Fishing Pier. And this is where we parked. Paddling. Boards or something we could probably do. And put it in right over here. And we're back from our hike. And the Starling works perfectly out here. It's a Saturday evening. It's not very deep. There's lots of kids. There are people running all over everyone else's campsites. There's lots of people tent camping here. There's lots of people cutting through our campsites to go see the lake. Hey, Desi Lovebug, what are you doing in my chair? What do you think you're doing? Oh, you little sweetheart. Such a good boy. And it's the end of another gorgeous day. Good night, all. We got up early to watch the SpaceX launch. It's actually about 10 to 7. It's still really dark outside.
That's my spot. I can prove it that my coffee cup is there.
You have to put me on your lap, Dad. That's the deal. Desi loves that chair. Meanwhile, I had my power shake. Not much I can do until they actually launch. Up, it's launching. There it goes. The launch is over. Time to clean up and pack up the inside. Gotta put away the chairs, pick up the table, put it back where it belongs, unhook all the electronics, stow them away, get out a little handbag, gotta vacuum everything up. Now put that away, get out the vacuum cleaner, gotta do the rug. Gotta put that away. First I gotta dump it out. It's amazing how much hair you can pick up. It's the price of having pets. Gotta stow that away. That goes in the far back because it doesn't fit up there. Gotta pick up the stool. Gotta pick up the refrigerator and freezer. Put that on the bunk beds so we can close up the slides. Oh, got to get down Desi's little container because he gets scared if he doesn't have it.
There you go.
All right, is that good walk? Yeah. Mike just took off the magnet shade. It's time to roll up the rug. I know, honey, I know. I picked up your bed. You weren't supposed to come back in yet. I gotta turn the chairs around, put the seatbelts on the wall. I do it to mine too. Let me move it forward a little bit more. Go ahead. Go ahead. You're fine. You're fine. Stop being all panic stricken. I'm assuming he's not wearing either pair of these shoes. I gotta stick them all in the back. What time is it? It's about 10 to 9. A lot of people are packing up. 10 campers are not packing up. But some of the other RVers are. I think we're all ready. We just have to go and dump our head. And then we're going to hook up the toad. And we're all cleaned up outside. We both had our guilty pleasure, rock stars. And we're off to the dump station and then to hook up. All right, meanwhile, I have to turn around. Okay, we're off to the dump station. Oh, joy. Our favorite time of day. The kids were actually trying to touch the RV that was going by. I'm like, really? It's another pretty day. Why are we leaving? I mean, it's a gorgeous park. During the week, it's absolutely fabulous. But on the weekends, it becomes a zoo. Okay, there is no place to hook up other than at the dump station. So we're going to wait until Mike finishes dumping the tanks. Or maybe we'll pull up a little further and then we'll hook up. All the fun stuff. Perfect. We're busy hooking up. We found a level spot right after the dump station, but before you get out of the dump station, I'm waiting for him to wash his hands, and then we're gonna do signals of the brakes. Yeah, that looks good. That looks good. All right, the brakes look fantastic. I was gonna say, do you want to go up and take the turn? And I say, see if those wheels are turning. Yeah. We want to check to make sure not only is the wheels freewheeling, but if they're turning in the direction we want them to go in. And they are. Woohoo! And finally, we're off. Yeah, pulling out of the park. It's got this really pretty park road. It leads out to the main road. So far, there's not a lot of traffic. This is great, but we're still on the back roads. We're leaving Inks Lake State Park and going down through Austin, and we're going all the way to our home base, which is in Cat Spring, Texas. Yep, I'm seeing cones. How long is this road construction going to take? Well, this is Texas. We never actually finish. So true. More cones, more grade barriers. Ugh, and still, it's like never ending. We pick up speed, we hear this horrible whistling sound. Oh my God, what is that? So we stop and discover that one of the windows in the slide out was open. Thank God it was only that. We were afraid the slide was coming out or something. Of course, we ran into traffic. Welcome to Texas, where everything is bigger, including the amount of traffic. And the proposed new flag of Texas is under construction. Oh yes, sir. See, more barrels. Finally, we're on a decent road without construction. Woohoo! Here's a sign for Buc-ee's. It's like 100 miles away. Here's our turn. We're taking the back way home. We're gonna avoid Route 10. This is such a pretty way to go. Lots of farms to see, little churches, just absolutely gorgeous.
Take the next left onto Farm to Market Road 949 East, then turn left onto Mill Creek Road. Continue on Mill Creek Road for 3 miles.
Here we are, Homebase, and a cattle guard. And another cattle card. I think the sumo springs helps with that. Others is jarring. And we gotta go around these trees so we don't hit them. And here we are. Okay. Ah, it's time to unhitch the truck. Time to park our rig. I'm driving. Mike's gonna give me directions because he's better at giving me directions than I am giving him directions. I'll move it up first. Guys, to the side. Are my wheels straight? Yeah. And we're back at Homebase. We celebrated our travel day with dinner at our favorite Mexican place. Stuffed it avocado. And Mike has the remnants of an enchilada. I got a frozen prickly pear margarita, and you got a frozen sangria. Cool. Good end to our vacation. Coming up in our next video is our Christmas trip to Galveston Island. We walk the beaches, hike the trails, endure a nasty thunder and lightning storm, have Christmas dinner out because we forgot to defrost our steaks, our Starlink fails, there's a tornado warning, and so much more. There's never a dull moment. So come join us on our adventure. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe to see what we're up to next. Ring that notification bell to tune into our next video, usually out every Saturday morning. Please leave a comment too. We would love to hear from you guys. Have a good one. I'm going to leave you with this lovely view of the Gulf. I love walking on the beach. I find it so relaxing and peaceful. I hope you do too.